You gotta tell. You gotta tell.
Go.
You can't buy the car if it's a rebuilt title.
She just throw water at the man.
Hey.
Nice to meet you, Matthew.
Nice to meet you. My name is Vanessa. How
Nice
are
to
you?
meet you. How long have you owned it for?
6 years.
6 years?
Yes. Yes.
Clean title?
It's clean time. Yes.
Can I get the key so I can start checking it out?
Sure.
Thank you. Looks good. Looks like you took care of it.
Yeah.
Could we go on a test drive?
Sure.
We can drive it? Okay,
Yes,
let's do that.
let's go.
Here's your purse.
Thank you.
Are you negotiable on the price or are you firm?
No.
So you're not negotiable?
No.
At all?
No.
Okay. All right, let me just pull the B-Shore report, like the
Okay.
history on it.
It's
So.
Rebuilt title.
You didn't tell me it was a rebuilt title.
No. That's not a real child. No. I don't know.
I mean, the report says it's rebuilt.
I don't know. I don't know. The car is good. The driver is good. It's good body. It's good everything. I don't know.
I drove an hour. You said it was clean title. You made me drive an hour.
What are you talking? Give me my time. Give me my time. What are you talking about it with me?
It's rebuilt.
There's no reveal. That the car is
You're getting,
good.
but you're getting mad at me when it's not even my fault.
Sir, I don't know. I don't know. You go.
Okay, all right. You gotta tell. You gotta tell.
Go.
She threw water. Bro,
How she
what
get
the-
mad? How she mad at him? She done got mad at this man because she got a car that's a rebuilt title. Now it's two things that could be from this video, right? Either A, she could have been had this car and did not know it was a rebuilt title, because you can get a car, get it insured, regular insurance. And maybe she didn't know, but I'm gonna go with she did know. Most people do know what's up with the title. And the reason why this is a big deal for this guy trying to purchase this vehicle is because he's going to purchase this vehicle to rent it out. And no rental insurance company that's going to do for rentals is going to give you insurance on a rebuilt title. So that's why this is a big deal. That's why this needed to be disclosed before he got to the car. So he could have just been like, you know, through Messenger or however they communicate, easily said, oh, okay, well, I can't even use that car as a rebuilt title. So she probably was trying to sell this knowing it was a rebuilt title. Anytime they get to talking about how clean the car is, how good it drives, and all this other stuff, they tell you about everything else. It's always some underlying stuff that you don't know what's going on. Anytime they're trying to oversell it, and then for her to get upset like that, yeah, she probably need that money. Yeah, she need that money. She get out of here. Did you make me drive up here, Vanessa? My name is Vanessa, and you made me drive up here, and you know, buy car. Get out of here. So now she mad at him because it's a rebuilt title. But I'm trying to give her the benefit of the doubt to say maybe she didn't know, but the way that she acted, I'm thinking she did know. She did know, and she didn't know he was going to come with that Be Sure report. That's the app, guys, that you guys can pull up. It's called Be Sure, because you want to what? Be sure. And they ain't even pay me for that ad right there. But that's just a little drop, little tidbit. You want to be sure that you're getting that you have a car that's in good condition, that is not a rebuilt title, so that you can put it out there to rent out. But if it's a rebuilt title, you can't even list that on Turo, number one. And if it's a rebuilt title, you can't get insurance to the you can't get the proper insurance to cover it with a rebuilt title, because if you're using it as a rental, they will not cover they will not put insurance on it for fleet insurance is what I'm trying to say. They won't put the fleet insurance on it for a rebuilt title. And this is one of those cases. The car had a rebuilt title, and it's not his fault. And I'm not saying it's her fault, but she obviously either she knew or she didn't know. But if she did know, she didn't disclose the information. If she didn't know, it's news to her. And if I didn't know, my response would be different versus trying to throw water on somebody. So you know what? We're going to go with she did know. Yeah, her response let me know. She knew. She got upset that he came in a little smart, came with the Be Sure app, and she wasn't expecting that. So she done drove up there thinking she's finna leave with this money. She can't leave with the money. So now she hot because she done spent that money in her head before it even touched her hands. She already knew she was finna buy this. She's going to buy that. She's going to pay this off, pay this credit card or whatever. She already spent that money in her head. As soon as he pulled up that app and showed that this car had a rebuilt title, yep, all hell broke loose. That's how they go. They get upset when you put stuff in front of them that you have he ain't do nothing wrong. He just, running a business and want to make sure he getting a car that he can actually use to rent out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about this video, man. How would you have handled this if this lady would have got mad like that and threw water on you? I'm calling the police. Somebody got to go to jail. It ain't going to be me. So I'm calling the police. She assaulted me. I'm in fear for my life. Yeah, I go into full acting mode. Yeah, I just don't come now. Somebody come get. I'm scared. I have her tag number. She threw water on me. I can't even see. I think it's bleach in the water. Y'all can't see. Somebody come help me, please. Don't get me to acting. I act out. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's your boy William Boston. I'll holler at you on the next one.